Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make traditional croissants. We'll start by preparing the basic dough, ensuring all ingredients are at the correct temperature for optimal results. Then, I'll guide you through selecting the best butter, which is crucial for that rich, authentic taste. Finally, we'll cover the initial steps of lamination, setting the foundation for those beautiful, airy layers you crave. Now, let's dive deeper into the lamination process, which is key to achieving those signature flaky layers. I'll demonstrate the precise folding techniques, ensuring even distribution of butter throughout the dough. Remember, chilling the dough for at least 30 minutes between each turn is essential for preventing the butter from melting. Then, we'll move on to cutting and shaping your croissants into their classic crescent form. With your croissants shaped, it's time for proofing, a critical step for their final texture. We'll place them in a warm, humid environment, allowing them to double in size and become wonderfully airy. You'll know they're ready when they feel light and jiggly. Finally, we'll bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until they are a beautiful golden brown, ensuring a crisp exterior and soft interior. Here are a few extra tips to perfect your croissant journey. Always use a very sharp knife when cutting your dough to maintain those delicate layers. For storage, once baked and cooled, keep your croissants in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days to maintain freshness. And hey, while you're perfecting your baking, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.